Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And another quick tutorial on my lead gen secrets. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you all know that I've been with my lead gen secrets for several months now, finding great success with it. And that success comes from, ladies and gentlemen, I know how to actually go in here, dissect, and purge the information that I need from my lead gen secret and be able to see the major results and actually use those particular leads to actually build my private list even more and create a response rate that is out of this world on my private list. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I need you to see this because so many of you all have reached out to me and you're jumping in and out of my Legion secrets without really understanding the power behind this system. And even though it's just a low $30 a month, you're not seeing the real potential for the long term. Always remember, we're here to list build no matter what. And in list building, if we have a great relationship with our subscribership, we are going to earn a substantial amount of money through our email list. Okay, so let me go in here and let me show you exactly what I mean. Many of you all will come to me and say, Sandra, okay, how do I build this up? Who am I emailing to? What do I do? I don't have specifics on the people. They're just sending me leads every day. This is all I'm seeing. And of course, let me show you this. In this area right here, this is all that you're seeing. Okay, this is all that you're seeing that I received 200 leads yesterday, today, day before, and it just keeps going on and on and on. But what you fail to realize, ladies and gentlemen, is that you have a specific area where you will see your leads. I'm going to go ahead and click in here and it'll show you browse your leads. Once you click that, it'll populate specifically what your names, the names of your leads, the address, email addresses, IP, city, state, postal code, where they're from, and the lead partner that it was generated from. I have some of you all say, well, what does lead partner mean? That means that my Legion Secret has partnered with several other vendors to make sure that you have the freshest leads that's coming into your system so that you can mail out and build a relationship with. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly how I use each and every one of these in a specific way to give me the results that I'm looking for as an affiliate marketer. And I share several different opportunities. So I want to make sure that those opportunities are going to be pleasing to at least a few of these people, which is actually more than a few. But I don't want to be hypey. I'm not a hypey person. I just want you to know that the true results behind email sending is actually building that relationship with your subscriber. Once you build the relationship with your subscriber and you establish the know, like, and trust, you can share all kinds of opportunities with them. And I share with you this because it is the truth. You'll never know exactly what niche that they will like unless you try a variable of opportunities with them. So it can be nutrition, it could be MMO, which is make money online, it could be internet marketing, it could be finance. Some people are into Forex, some people are into Bitcoin currency. It does not matter. The thing is to make sure that you build that relationship so that when you do share something, they are going to be open to receive what you have and they trust that whatever you share with them is something that's full of value and that they need to step into. Okay, so when you open this, I went in here and I opened this and I made sure that each and every one of these people are actually going to be very tentative to what I'm actually sharing with them. Trust and believe when you step up and you email every single day and you're making sure that you put your name in there, you are being branded as a leader in the industry because they know that what you're sharing with them has value. So again, I use this point right here Another area that I love going to is my statistic area. I like to see exactly how I'm performing. Is my subject line worth it? Is my body something that is commendable? And this is how I tell on each one of these. My subject line usually is coming through when it comes to my open rate. That is to get the person to open that email and say, okay, what is it that Cassandra is sharing today? My click, actually, the CTR, lets me know that the body did its work, that the content of my email actually did its work, because now I have people clicking through and actually going through the capture page systems, whatever it is that I'm sharing, and they're opting in for more information. That is how you can tell the difference. So remember, the subject line is basically your open rate. See your open rate? That lets you know here that you have a good subject line. And remember what I said. You can always use that subject line. If you see that that subject line is a winner to create these kinds of open rates for you, trust and believe you can use it over and over and over again. I assure you, I have subject areas that I just really are close to my story, what I've experienced in my 35 years in this industry, and I will use it over and over and over again and tell my story like it is, so that people can understand exactly where I'm coming from, and in the likelihood of them joining, they know that they have someone that's actually going to take them by the hand and show them the ropes and how they can duplicate my success, at least minimally starting out if you're brand new. I do not want to hype up anything, but I'm letting you know what is possible. Okay. And again, remember, the open is what really shares with you that my body, that my email really did, what my story, what my experience has really conveyed to the audience, to my subscribers, that they went on and put in their email and they put in their information so that I can send them further information to get them to the point where, hey, I love what she has to share and I'm all in to win. Okay, so I'm gonna go back up here. I want you to see this. So I'm gonna click in here. I need each and every one of you all to see this. The reason why is because I had several people that came to me and said, "Oh, they're probably sending me some emails from China, or they're or a country that does not speak English." I want you to know right now, you can see when the date that the person came in, the time that they actually viewed your information, and you can see right here their country or their state of origin. Okay, so I need you to see the value point with My Legion Secrets. I hope this has helped you understand it just a little bit better, and how you can go in and dissect and see what is best for you, and growing and building your list as well. Definitely click the link below. I'd love to have you with My Legion Secret. This is an opportunity I tell anyone, as long as you know what you need to do to build your list effectively, correctly, you will win absolutely hands down. Also, please like, share, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already on my subscription, so that every time that I upload a video, guess what? You're in the know, and it's going to notify you and let you know, hey, Cassandra gave you some more tidbits. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, have a wonderful evening. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com. Or if you want to just hop on over to Facebook, check me out, because I'm always posting something every single day, and I'm sharing stories of my success and what this industry has done for me and my team and the many other people that I've connected with. You all have a great one, and bye for now.